Well, hello. Good morning.
Howdy. How you doing today?
Pretty good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, I'm all right.
Good, good. Still feeling the buzz from yesterday, or what?
No, I've come down off of that, but
Okay, good, good, good.
if
Hi,
I could do
Tam.
that,
Hey, good morning, Kyle. Jerry in the chat.
I just wish I could do that every day.
Nah, no doubt. Don't we all?
Yeah, well,
Just trying to get my. I didn't get around to doing my chart levels yesterday, so just updating those. How long do we got here? 10 minutes to the bell.
You see YM hit an all-time high.
Yeah.
ES hit an all-time high.
Well, I didn't know that ES was all-time high, but
Yep.
wow.
At least that's what it said on my chart. Yeah, all-time high 7,658 for ES.
Just like that, eh?
Yep.
Boom. Wow. Popping here. Jeez.
10 minutes before the open and it's already launching up. Ooh, damn.
Where was our midnight open price? There, okay.
Got your levels in there?
Yep. Yes, I do. There we go. All done. I'm gonna actually restart my bookmap here. It was still running from yesterday, so oops.
So all your CVD levels and stuff are going to be kind of cockeyed.
Mm-hmm. Kyle says, another day, another dollar.
What, I got a raise?
I went hiking yesterday.
Where'd you go hiking?
It's called Deep Cove. It's like a nice little place in North Vancouver.
That sounds like a load of fun. I did not go hiking yesterday.
Yeah, good thing I restarted it. There was like a whack of updates that needs to be done for bookmap. I don't know if they matter, but
yeah, when I started mine up at like 4:30 this morning, it was like 25 different updates that it needed just from yesterday.
Wow, yeah. Pretty high volume on that candle, hey? Jeez.
Yeah, there's a.
What are they doing?
I have no idea.
Pop that thing way up, and then now they're just like slapped it right back down. So.
I don't know what's going on.
Hey Tam, Ralphie's doing good. He's just chilling over there. I got a nice. He's got I put a blanket over him, and he's all cuddled up, passed out.
Now that's adorable.
Yeah. Got about 6 minutes here to the bell. How long do we have, or how far do we have for all-time highs here? Oh, we got quite a substantial distance to all-time highs from
for NQ. Yeah.
Wow.
NQ's got a ways to go, but
it is NQ.
It could. I mean, it could happen within the first 5 minutes of the session.
Yeah, it's popped 1,000 points in the past.
I've seen it.
Literally. We do have a naked point of control 29,459, so right before 29,500. So that could be an interesting level. We're above this inverted fair value gap. And then we also have this bearish fair value gap, 1 hour, 4 hour bearish fair value gap up 29,600.
It's at 29,600.
Yeah.
That's a little ways up there.
Yeah.
I'll worry about that when we get to it.
Volume's still coming in pretty good here. Let's double check the book map here. Looks like 29,300 above has 190 contracts. And
29,000. 29,500 has 160 up there.
Wow, yeah. Lots of targets to the top side.
We're going to get a pullback before that happens.
$29,300 on NQ has 57 contracts.
Still got 2 minutes until the bell.
Lots of buy volume balls on that little pop there, pre-market there, just that 5 minutes ago candle. Minute and a half here to the bell. MES launched to another all-time high. As Nick mentioned, the all-time highs, either that or Angia just got in the shower. Jerry, funny guy. So interestingly enough, we have an inverted bearish fair value gap from a number of days ago on the 1 hour chart that lines up exactly with previous day high and the midnight open price.
All right.
So kind of a good confluence there, basically 29,000 level. So it'd be interesting if we do end up getting a big pullback out of the gate. Maybe that's going to be sort of a support level, but obviously we'll got to wait for some sort of reaction off that first. But
That's right. That's right down by VWAP too.
yeah, the overnight's right there too, right? So pretty interesting level.
Going to be that pullback you're talking about. Bell has rung.
Jesus, no pullback so far.
Nope, not yet.
40-point ripper so far.
I'm locking in 150. $200, $250, $300. Oh, this is going to be the pullback.
Well, I missed it.
Locked in 310. See if this continues higher or if it comes back and stops me out. Locking in 350. $375. $400.
Wow, look at that thing going. Goblin orders there. Up in the
500.
320s. Jesus.
All right, leaving it at $500 locked in. See how high this can go. $550.
Very nice. Finally, it looks like they're getting a little bit of resistance. Probably not going to last, though. So we got orders up at 350, 360, and then some new ones coming on at 400. I ended up getting in on an eval here at 200K static eval. Since I'm chasing a bit here, didn't want to do it on a funded account just in case.
Yeah.
But paying out, paying off. Started with 2 micros, added 2 micros, up about 230. Finding some resistance here at the 78, 70 mark. Yeah, I got knocked out there. 189.
And I'm out.
Naked point of control looks like is the target 29,450. Really.
Brr. All right, I'm done for the day.
Nice. Hey, Joanne.
What's that?
Good morning.
I said during the pre-market that I wanted to be done by 11. It's 9:34. Hit my goal.
Yeah.
Looks like we are getting some resistance at 400.
Come on, pop it. Keep popping all the way up to 450 here. I'm in with 2 micros again on my Take Profit Trader Pro account here. Come on. Squeeze those out. Okay, well, locked in a little bit there. Got stopped out on that pullback, but
Got some sell volume balls on the book map now. Orders are at 350. 70 orders at 350 right now. I can't get into anything until there's a decent pullback.
yeah. Maybe that was it. Looking like
Could
it.
have been.
Back up above 400. Buy volume balls coming back in on the book now. Yeah, I think I'm going to be patient here for a little bit. I actually have to use the bathroom, so be right back.
Hey, perfect. Joanne's done too. Very good. And I'm always a Marvel comic villain. Wow. Skeletor hit his daily goal, or half his daily goal. Yeah, I'd be okay with that.
Wow, tapped exactly the naked point of control. Jeez. Still have orders up at 29,500.
It's 193 orders at 29,500 right now.
It's climbing.
Yeah, this is looking pretty bullish still.
ES making a new high. NQ did sort of sweep that last candle's high. And YM's pulling back. Totally predictable.
Yeah.
What a crazy 15-minute candle there.
Yeah, this is insane. I'm not even sure I want to be trading anymore here.
Can always just sit out.
First light on the second screen, P&L blinking red and green. The room is still, my jaw's tight. We're playing traps from last night. Funny how one clean push through highs.
I heard there's a new Spider-Man movie out that sounds like it's pretty good.
Yeah, somebody mentioned that yesterday, I think. I believe it was yesterday.
Joanne's up 622. Nice. That's amazing.
Every whip took a chunk, every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh, show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag, nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move.
Alright, I'm locking myself out.
Yeah.
I'm down. DUN done.
Done. And I got my finger hovering over the buy button, but
I've been in that position too many a time.
hey, Tim, good morning. How's Mr. Tim this morning?
Good morning, Mr. Tim. Excuse me. Wow.
Wow, geez, holy. I'm in a long here.
This is insane.
Keep going. Please keep going. No, 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 no. Don't stop. I took one micro off already.
Where'd you go in long?
I got in at basically 29,455. 131 in each Lucid funded flex account. $29,461. Yeah. All right, boys. I'm happy with $105. Green, going to work. Trade safe, fellas. Nick, see you tomorrow in pre-market. Thanks, Skeletor.
Skeletor.
News coming in 8 minutes. Thanks for that. Hi, Tam. Or hey, Tam, sorry. I don't know if it's hey or hi, Tam. Probably hi, Tam.
I'm going to say hey, Tam. You say hi, Tam. He'll correct one of us.
Yeah.
Another 22K for Horse Trader.
Oh, he said like hi.
Oh.
Hi, Tam.
Like hi? So I was wrong.
Jolt's job openings is today. That's in, what, 8 minutes?
I believe so. Yep.
And
That and U.S. factory orders month over month, core durable goods, and at 11:30 we have the 52-week Bell high yield. 4 o'clock SpaceX earnings and 4:15 AMD earnings. 4:30 Trump is speaking. At the same time we have gas, distillate, Cushing, and crude oil inventories.
Found a little bit of resistance up here at the 500s. Don't really see this thing stopping anytime soon here, but maybe we'll get a little pullback. Never know, though. You never know.
Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wise. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to bully my way through. Now I'm watching for the head faking, waiting for the real thing to show. One more look, let the tape talk back. I've been dodging MNQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candle stopped to print right where the stops were placed. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with the face.
Wouldn't mind us heading back to the naked point of control and retest that here. But looks like we're trying to take the 500s.
You still in that?
No, I'm out, but I'm looking for potential long here if we can get a pullback, basically.
All right, I'll be back.
Okay.
Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts, and coming back when the tape cools down. Look, there's no rush to be. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's bait.
All right, I did take a short scalp there, guys. I don't have my that open on my chart, but I just bring over the Tradeify here. Look at that thing just ripping down here. Holy smokes. I was expecting a rejection at the 500s here. I got 108, 200 bucks on these last two micros. I was in with 10 total. Lock in a little bit more here. So this is up 450 in this account. Beautiful opens are. Look at this thing, man. Holy. Wishing I held all 10 of those micros here. Come on. Come on. All right, out of that trade. So 445 in my top one futures 100K account.
Crack it in cute, don't gone dark. Tag the close, left a mark. First light on the second screen. Peanut blinking, red and green. The room is still, jaws tight.
Gonna log into my Blue Sky account here.
Funny how one clean push through highs can make a busted plan feel wide. Spent too long leaning on sides, trying to
Nice short scalp there, the Hawk.
now I'm watching for
Caught the same one as I just did.
waiting for the real thing to show. Let the tape talk back. I've been dodging NQ trickery, trying not to snap too fast. Now the candles start to burn right where this stop's replaced. Maybe edge was never forced at all. Maybe it was just patience with a face. Every whip took a chunk. Every fake out taught me where it stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Used to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through.
I butchered that short. Hey, thank you. Yeah, you know, just basically that was a bookmap trade. I actually haven't taken many of these trades, but I've been watching it for so long that, you know, we always end up hitting these clusters of orders up at like key levels, and then we get a pretty strong pullback. So I was being aggressive on taking profits for that reason. Is I don't know if it's going to pull back 10, 15, 20, 25 points kind of thing. And yeah, that one definitely played out for so far. I just need to grab some more hot water for my tea. Sorry, one sec. All right. Well, that first bearish candle didn't pull back too far. I feel like this naked point of control level is going to be a bit of a key one. Maybe we're going to retest the VWAP here. We do have a 2-minute bullish fair value gap at 413, which lines up with that the New York VWAP. I might just put an order there to 413. We have a 5-minute bearish fair value gap from that push down there. If this thing gets an inversion up here, which we didn't get it there, unfortunately. So it might not matter though, actually. Heading back up to the 500s here. Now, if this bearish fair value gap holds, that's not very ideal for the bulls anyways. I might not leave this order on that I have here. I don't know, Jerry. I haven't tried this morning, so. Saudi Arabia, there's some news coming out here. Saudi Arabia tries diplomacy to stop Houthi attacks from escalating. U.S. job openings went down, so I think that's a good thing for jolts. And looks like month-over-month orders is up 0.2% forecast. Oh, it's better than previous, but it's not necessarily up. I got in, no problem. Jerry? Yes, hitting all-time highs. So what do you guys think? So I have my Take Profit Trader account is up to 2,500. So technically I could take a $400 payout and still leave it with a full 2,100 buffer. You think it's a good idea? What do you guys think? ES feels much better than NQ today, just noticed. Yeah, I mean, ES has just been ripping. We're kind of stalling out here on NQ. Dow's kind of popping up, but a little bit still lagging also.
fake out taught me where it's stung. Every loss I wore too fresh. Show me what I let slide next. Nothing left I need to brag. Nothing left I need to prove. Funny how the screen gets clear when you stop trying to make it move. Here's to every messy open, every flush I had to sit through. Every slap that ripped me open and what it made me do. Some days aren't about the win, they're about not doubling down. Licking wounds, keeping receipts.
Looks like ES just took the all-time high again here. Well, keeps making new all-time highs.
There's no rush to be. MNQ's gonna toss his tricks, whether it's baiting or testing me. Enough fussing every candle, enough chasing every move. If peace feels like anything, it's a clean read and a better groove.
What works for you now, Strange? It was saying the owner of the website banned you? That's weird. Well, I'm gonna pull off these blue sky orders here. I don't know, like, don't know that they're really necessary at the moment.
Your blue sky orders you said aren't necessary?
Yeah, I had some orders down here at 29,420 area, but it's kind of like just going completely the opposite direction right now. So
Yeah.
it's like kind of no point in it sitting there. Not to say that in the next, hour or something, we're not going to get there, but. So how did the woodworking go yesterday? Did you play around with that?
I did. It was
Nice.
very relaxing.
I bet.
So as of today, I passed that take profit
Oh, nice.
account.
Awesome.
So that's done. And I got one more. That is halfway to being passed, but this is my first day trading it, so
Okay. Nice.
I gotta trade it for 5 days.
Mm-hmm.
I made the my $1,500 trade right at the open, so that one is halfway to passed. So I do the same, if I can just the next 4 days make what, $350 a day, should be good. Then I'll hit that 50% target and have my 5 trading days in.
Uh-huh.
I cannot believe ES is getting this high.
It's pretty wild.
It's insane.
While you were gone there, I took a pretty nice short scalp on my top one futures 100K account.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you. Well, let me turn up my volume here. There we go.
I just said while you were gone there, I took a nice short scalp on my 150K or my 100K top one futures account.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. played the rejection off the 500s back 9:55, I guess it was about AM.
Promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop.
I feel like it's getting riskier and riskier here to take longs.
Love it when my internet's spotty.
Is that what you got right now?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's all cloud cover.
Mm-hmm.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head.
Looks like we got about 15 people watching. More than that, actually. Let's see. 17 people in YouTube and 6 people in X this morning. Very nice, very nice. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for supporting the streams.
We do appreciate it.
Laughed at 2.6K done. Ooh, with internet issues also. Oh yeah, be careful.
Over 2,500 while having internet issues.
Yeah.
You're a champ.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane. Carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away.
So I have like about 25, a little over 2,500 in my Take Profit Trader account. I was thinking about taking out 400, just cause keep it still up 2,100. But then do you have to trade it for 5 days? No, it's daily payouts, right?
No, take profits daily. You can take out whatever you want down to your buffer.
And it's a 90-10 split?
Yep.
Or is it, yeah.
It's 90-10.
It'd be nice to take some out.
Yeah,
Been
I
a
would.
minute
Why not?
since I got a payout, so
Do
I
it.
did want to just get a larger amount in there before I take it out, but and then I got 52 237 in my Lucid funded and 52 119 in the other Lucid funded. So those guys are technically eligible payouts too, but I don't want to take it. I don't want to get them lower than 2,000. So I want to trade those for sure for a bit more.
Gotcha. Oh yeah, he don't you have to make 3,000 before you start to taking payouts?
No, those flex accounts are eligible right away. After you make
okay.
550K days or $150 days. So technically you could
all
it
right.
would be locked in at 50,100 is your minimum balance.
That's yeah. All right.
But yeah, I'm kind of thinking I want to try to do the same thing where I just leave 2K in there
Yep.
and just keep
Have
kind
the
of.
have that extra drawdown.
So those ones I
'Cause
should
they-
really get to 3,000 before I take at least 3,000 before I take a payout, right?
That's what I would do.
And then just take it down to 2,100 and then go from there.
Yeah, you trade small enough size to where 2,000 in drawdown is enough to keep your funded accounts alive.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
I have been
going
given
up
a little bit
again.
larger stop loss here, but yes, it's oh my god, man, it just
does not want to stop.
YM's finally joining the gang here. So does that mean NQ is going to pull back?
That's impossible to say.
Mm-hmm.
Here's the little tiny pullback on ES.
Yeah. 7,700. Whoa. $7,702.75 all-time high for ES. Hey, Vicky Luffy. New here from London, Ontario. This live was suggested by a friend. You guys trade off bookmap only or use other strats? Actually, I don't really build my strategy off of bookmap, Vicky. We're pretty much using bookmap to add another confluence and to know where potential resistance levels are, sort of like targets per se. But we mostly we're building our trade ideas off of the chart with VWAP and other levels. So, but welcome to the stream. I'm in Vancouver, Canada. Oh, nice. Vicky's Joanne's friend. Sweet.
Ah, all right. London, Ontario.
Beautiful. You told her they were nice guys. Oh, thank you.
Joanne lied to you.
I know. Joanne totally lied. Come on.
Like, the nice guys. Shut up.
Mary says that definitely what it feels like before a long-term bull run, but you're risky also before a huge drop though. Yeah. But yeah, it's a good question though. A lot of people might take their trades just based off the bookmap, but it's kind of, you never know when price is going to go to those contracts or not. So it's like, there's a little more context if you take the trade plan from your trading view chart.
Yeah, I use VWAP strictly. I'll use the bookmap for a confluence, but that's about it.
Joanne's recruiting now. Awesome. Yeah, right. Thanks, Joanne.
Hey, Joanne, start recruiting for the pre-market stream then. I mean, do them both. But yeah, I looked at that this morning. I think I have like something silly, like 196 people that are in the
subscribers. Nice.
Yeah, for the pre-market stream. Yeah, 196.
Nice. Zarb took a short in an eval he's sitting in right now. He's got a really wide stop on it.
Really?
Yeah.
He does seem to like going off the top.
Yeah.
Never works for me, but hey, as long as he's good with it.
Yeah.
Every time I've ever tried calling the top, or not every time, but most of the times when I've tried calling the top or a bottom, I fail miserably.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles like a perfect disguise, but every shadow tells a different side. No need to settle every score tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone. Watch promises fade like smoke.
Yeah, I feel like it's pretty risky here buying it up here for some reason. I mean, there's no real reason for us to be worried about the Bears just yet, but you never know.
Yeah.
And I'm just like, yeah, we're kind of going sideways here. So, I mean, this definitely it's, you know, we have wicks all on the bottom side so far of all these candles. So, seems like buyers are still there trying to hold this up, but that 500 level is going to be pretty key if we can kind of hold this. But it's kind of looking a little bit heavier than it has. And ES is actually pulling back pretty strong at the moment, so that's not helping it out. Actually, all three putting in a bearish candle here. Maybe just got to sit on my hands here.
Might not be a bad thing. Preserve some capital here.
Yeah. I'm up 760 between the four funded accounts that I traded today. Not bad.
Yeah, I'd say so. You're up 760 across 4 funded accounts?
Well, not like added all together. Not each one. Not 760 in each one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But again, still. That's a good day.
Yeah, I only took one copy trade today, and that was on my 2 flex accounts. And those are both up 140 bucks, basically. 130 bucks. What did Vicky say? Are you guys done for the day? Are you currently in a trade? I'm flat right now. I'm just not 100% sure what price is going to do at the moment. So it's kind of like telling me to stay flat. Kind of looking a little heavy, but also don't really want to short it.
No, I'm not in anything, Jerry. I'm just kind of sitting here watching right now.
Czar said, seemed like we're going to get stopped on MNQ long or going to be long all day. And Yeah. This could just be a bull flag, right? Like it's looking like it's kind of flagging out here a bit. So
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge, living rent free in my head. Pieces worth
come on, let's break out here, NQ. Well, I did attempt it along there. Put my stop into 10 points into profit right away, and it stopped me out. So, but $20 is $20.
I was going to say you took 10 points, so that's 10 points.
Oh, sorry. Actually, it was actually 5 points, but 2 micros. My bad.
So 10 points.
Yeah, still 10 points. Just not straight 10 points on one micro. I just feel like I need to be aggressive here if I'm going to take anything to just preserve in case there is that pullback.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
I haven't seen Zach Lazarus in a while. He's a guy that he's a Vancouver guy. He works in the like film industry.
All right.
And he's a guy that's like he always takes like really big trades, and he's, you know, posts about them like big winners. But then I think the problem is like he ends up taking big losers. You know what I mean? Because he's always sizing up pretty high, and you know all you need is that one bad trade to like basically wipe out your account. But like usually that's what happens. I think he ends up blowing his account, and then he doesn't come back for a while. So hope he's doing well though. He's the one that went to Thailand and was trading from Thailand for a while. Yeah.
I don't know. I tend to size up quite a bit. But I also size up after I'm already in profit. So I'm not just going in with 40 micros.
Nice pop on that candle, geez. I was a little too aggressive on the stop, obviously.
So NQ's got 208 orders at 29,600. Oh, excuse me. 596 orders at 30,500.
Wow.
Somebody's looking to take profits.
Yeah. Okay, that's initial balance here set. 29,564.
CVD on NQ right now is at 15,200.
tonight. Time has a way of making wrongs look right. Truth comes around, you can't outrun the sound. Every choice leaves footprints on the ground. You can chase the wind, disappear from sight, but the echoes always find you in the night. What you give away finds its way back home. Sooner or later, nobody walks alone.
Pretty strong pullback here off of this 560 level.
Watch promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line.
Yes, looks like it's starting to push down a little bit harder right now.
None of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide. Nothing stays forever left behind. Every move becomes another page. Every lesson written.
Figures, as soon as I say that, it starts bouncing up.
You willed it.
That's how I roll. Always calling it in the wrong damn direction. So whenever I go into a trade, just do the opposite of what I do and you'll be great.
Well, I don't think that's true. So it looks like we got about 14 in YouTube and then 4 in X. X isn't popping off. Yesterday it was going crazy. I think it was like 20 people in X.
Weird.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane. Carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People wear smiles.
This is gonna launch again here.
But every shadow tells a different
ES is looking like it.
Yeah, ES is bouncing nice. YM's bouncing. NQ did just sweep the new high. Kind of have a bit of a divergence here on ES and NQ at the moment.
Promises fade like smoke in the air. Empty conversations going nowhere. I stopped carrying weight that wasn't mine. Let tomorrow draw its own straight line. I don't wish the worst on anyone I knew. Life writes endings, none of us can choose. The wheel keeps turning, whether fast or slow. And every seed becomes the crop you grow. Truth comes around, steady as the tide.
So the guy that Zarb has on the stream, his name's Bucko. He just bought a McLaren. Crazy.
That's special.
Yeah. It's an expensive car.
Windows down, let the cool wind speak. Found more strength inside than I would seek. No revenge living rent free in my head. Peace is worth more than the words unsaid. Drive slow, head high. Leave the past where it belongs. The road keeps moving, and the truth always catches up.
How do you guys treat your evals? Go aggressive, pass in 3 days, or treat them like funded and grind 10 days to pass? I would recommend going at a bit of a slower pace. It just
Generally
kind of
what I
depends
do.
on a personal, you know, position and on your trading experience and everything. So if you have a little, you know, little extra capital, you can risk on some evals and you're passing them pretty quickly. You passed a lot of them in the past. You can always go with a little more size, but I typically trade them somewhat slower.
I trade my evals exactly the same way I trade my funded accounts now. I don't mind waiting. Figure if I'm responsible and trade it like an adult, I'll pass them in a week or two. Sometimes I'll pass them in a day or two. Sometimes I'll pass them in a week or two. But I'm not going to change my trading style just because it's an eval.
Don't want to build those bad habits.
Nope. Leave all my bad habits off the charts.
Well, I just locked in 76 on my Blue Sky funded account on that pullback there. I was on the wrong account on the trading view chart. 2 micros short. It looks like it's pulling back a little bit deeper here still too. Just went for 20 points.
So 5 points, 4 micros.
2 micros, 20 points. So I went short at 551, took profit 531. So $80 minus commissions basically. Yeah, I guess my issue with psychology, I tried going aggressive in blue evals, so I thought I'd go slower, but after 5 days I got fed up and go aggressive and blow them again. Oh yeah, well
That'll do it.
that's the hard part, right? Really you gotta start taking trading as sort of like the long-term game, right? And you know, if it takes you a month to pass it, oh, look at this price. Whew. Jeez. Yeah, if it takes you a month to pass it, that's fine. I guess we're probably getting a tweet here or something, guys. Just be careful right now. Like it just ripped like 519 all the way to 579.
Yes, got a big old wick on the top of this current 1 minute candle.
Yeah, Vicky, patience is really key in this trading game. So keep the size down, keep it small. Look for, you know, start off with like, you know, $100 to $300 profit per day. If you hit that target, just be kind of content with it. Before you know it, you're gonna pass accounts no problem, right? Take about 10 days, but
yeah, $300 a day, 10 days to pass. Another 10 days before you take a payout.
yeah, Jerry says, and it's just so true. Sometimes you just need to burn yourself enough until the lesson becomes permanent and automatically becomes more consistent because of it.
How many times you need to touch the stove before you learn the lesson? That's
nice, Vicky. Yeah, so she's up 600 in eval in the last 3 days. So
yeah, that's great.
200 a day. That's a great target. You know, nice round number. And then, you know, don't get affected by like what Nick does, because you know he makes way too much money. You got to compare yourself to your personal trades, right? Like, so if you're hitting $200 winners per day, like, just keep kind of shooting for those, if you know, but don't be forcing it necessarily. But you don't have to push yourself because you see other people making thousands in a day. Everyone's on their own journey at their own timeline in their journey. So,
and also don't pay attention to what I'm doing, because I'm also trading 20 accounts at a time, and that makes a very big difference.
you took your 200 today and shut down your system. Nice. There you go. That's very responsible.
That's
kind of the things that we try to preach around here.
Comes down to being responsible, acting like an adult, and not making poor decisions.
Cruise easy. Midnight on the boulevard. Some things catch up eventually.
So yeah, that's part of my issue too, but I've learned to control the number of trades I take, which made a big difference. Yeah, for sure. I mean, limiting the amount of trades you could take is a good thing. We also, on the days where it's really working well, maybe you can allow yourself a little bit more, because sometimes it's kind of like if you put a hard limit on your trades, you kind of actually can hurt your profit in the long term, because some days, like on example like today is like, if you only took one trade and you took your 100 or 150 $200, there's a number of good opportunities after that to take it. So it is a catch-22, but definitely don't take excessively too many trades, for sure.
Yeah.
So limiting it is a good idea, for sure.
Yeah, I know yesterday I took a lot more trades than I normally do, but there was no reason not to. But yesterday was an outlier. I don't do that shit every day.
Yeah.
Very far and few between when I have a 40K day.
Oh, geez. Good thing I just switched over to look at this other account, because I have a sell stop in here.
Oh, shut that down. Or just cancel the order.
Now it makes me want to go back through all my accounts here.
Not a bad decision.
That's the worst.
So, who were you talking to when you were talking about the sizing down? Was it Vicky?
Yes.
So just for instance, Vicky, I just opened up a new account that I am trading, or I'm sorry, a new basket of accounts that I'm trading. And I'm in with 1 micro. That's it, just 1 micro. And that's all I'm trading is 1 micro. I'm not adding into positions. I'm not doing anything. I got a 1 micro long in from 7,702.25 on ES. My stop loss is in profit by 5 points, and I'm just kind of letting this go. If it pulls back and stops me out, I made 5 points.
$25.
So $25. But that's $25 on 20 accounts, so
$500.
Yeah, exactly. Whereas earlier this morning, I added into everything and tried to maximize all those profits based, just because of all the volatility and all that movement. So I sized it into positions that were going in my favor, made my $1,500 per account, and locked those out for the day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Vicky, you know, like if you're already up like 200 or 300 on your account, you can always like take another trade and just like risk only, you know, $50 or part of it, right? And so you're not going to like turn yourself into a red day, but maybe that next trade is going to play out really nice for you. So it's just one way to look at it. Like, we're not obviously giving you financial advice on that, but the hard stop on a certain amount of trades can have a negative effect on your P&L, right? Usually it's going to protect it, but it can also like sort of limit it, right?
Yeah.
So I wouldn't, you know, if you're up $300, I wouldn't risk all 300 on your next trade, right? For example. So
So if you're up $300, you know, risk 50 on your next trade. And if that trade doesn't work out for you, be happy with your $250 because that's what you made for the day.
Yeah.
Don't let yourself turn a green day into a red day.
And we're not just saying take any trade. Like, obviously you got to wait for your setup that you're trading, right?
Yeah. But you see all these people on the internet where it's like, I made $300,000 today. And that it may be true. I think most of it is not true. I think most of the people who claim to make hundreds of thousands of dollars and even thousands of dollars every day, I think most of it's just bullshit. Or they're trading paper accounts with no actual stress behind their trade.
Yeah.
Shit, dude, the trade I took yesterday, my hands were shaking.
Street lights dancing on an empty lane, carrying lessons carved out of the pain. People
That had me feeling all sorts of weird things.
Yeah.
And I'd moved my stop loss into a profitable area too. It's not like it was going against me. It was just so ES is heading back up towards that all-time high again.
Making a new one.
It may be.
Jerry says, in construction, if you make the same mistake more than 3 times, people start watching you and put you on a list you don't want to be on. LOL. Try to treat trading the same way. Too many lessons to learn in trading to be making mistakes over and over again.
Yeah.
It's definitely not an easy thing to do, this trading situation.
Yeah, this is definitely a high performance job.
So get more sleep than I do. Zach's still sitting in that short, which it's starting to look like it might actually play out for him in the end, right? Because
I mean, it might, but
this could also just pop.
I don't know how he does it. I really don't.
Well, we do have a 4-hour bearish fair value gap above, so he's got to stop sort of above that. So his stop looks like it's probably up around 620, 29, 625 area. So he's got quite a bit of space, wide ass stop loss.
That guy always has a wide ass stop loss. He's like, I got 1,000 tick stop loss in. At that point, why are you even bothering to have a stop loss? Because you're just blowing out your prop firm account.
Yeah.
All right, we just made another all-time high with the ES.
On the ES. Wow. Hey, S Fall Day today. Thank you for the balanced advice. Still learning. Hey, I don't recognize your name. Welcome to the stream. And Vicky says, nice. Yeah, that sounds like a plan, actually. MNQ really grinding sideways. Seems like we're out of juice at IB high. Czar. And yeah, they sell courses, man. Like so many courses. Who's that?
I'm going to start coaching people.
Who are you talking about that sells the courses, Vicky? Am I missing something here? Well, this is going to be a patience time here in the market, looks like. ES is definitely looking better. YM looks like it's about to take its all-time high here. It's a couple points away from that. So is NQ going to join? What's going on? Not all-time high, but at least making new highs. I could use
NQ is still a little ways away from the all-time high.
Nice opening trade, too new and scared to get in. Hey, you know, the first 15 minutes is really something that you shouldn't really be trading until you're a little more advanced. Like a good rule of thumb, fall day is to just wait for the first 15 minutes to settle out, because like today was you know, a really clean one, but most days it's not going to be like that, right? So if you end up, you know, getting in on some potential momentum and the thing just reverses and goes all the way back down to the start of that the first candle, you know, it can be super damaging. And then, you know, then when you're in a bad spot because you took a loss, and then you're gonna try to get it back, and you know what I mean. So,
and revenge trading never works.
Yeah.
So the other thing too is you've got resting orders when the New York bell opens, and price will bounce very quickly between those resting orders. It will fill it'll fill shorts and longs 200 points away from each other within seconds sometimes.
Yeah. And sometimes if you get into a bad trade too early, you're going to end up missing good trades while you're still dealing with the bad trade kind of idea.
Mm-hmm.
So being patient can really pay off, right? So
trying to manage a trade and mitigate losses, and you're missing out on all the A+ setups.
Oh, Vicky was replying to the comment on people faking their profits using paper accounts.
Oh yeah.
Yep. That's how they want it. It's for the marketing to sell the courses. You're right.
So if anybody wants coaching, I charge $500 a month. You're on a phone call with me twice a week, and I am more than happy to share with you all of my information and cash account stuff. And prop firms. What the hell, why not? but I will yell at you when you do crazy shit.
Zar, are you still waiting for that IB high to be taken here or what? I know Zar's like waiting for the IB break here. Well, I'm gonna see what happens on this hourly candle, but I think I might end up wrapping up the stream or around the hourly candle.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be sticking around much more either. I'm sitting here looking at this chart, thinking just gonna cut my my single micro ES trade and be
Go about
happy
your
with
day.
my $100.
Yeah.
So you know, Top Step now they actually have they've built a brokerage where you can put cash into it and trade a cash account.
Oh, really?
Yep.
I wonder if it's available in Canada. Canada.
Let me find out for you.
Esfalde today. Hey, glad you found the stream. Looking forward to the next one. All right. Yeah, definitely. Hey, so just to give you a little heads up of the stream. So me and Nick are on 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday to Friday. Nick usually starts at 7:30 Eastern Standard Time in the pre-market. And then I also host evening streams Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So lots of options. So definitely, turn that bell notification to all so that you'll get notified for the streams. And like I said, head over to Mustang. Is it Mustang.trader on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, Mustang.trader on YouTube, and subscribe over there and turn on that bell notification so that you can be notified when we're live. So we got a decent spread of sessions where we're streaming. So trying to help people learn to become profitable traders,
Yeah, it's looking like you can trade Top Step cash brokerage in Vancouver.
Oh, wow. Okay. I'll have to look into that. So you got to use Project X, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
But that's okay. I don't hate the platform. It just it's all right. It's just
I don't like it.
It's not the best.
I think it's not really all that happy with it. I just know that you and a lot of other Canadians have been looking for brokerages that they can trade outside of Ontario.
Pretty annoying that like Tradeify's available only in Ontario. It's like, what the heck, man?
Yeah,
it's like, why?
I don't understand that.
Anoyo.
Ontario is just it's not really part of Canada anymore.
Yeah.
It's actually just an extension of Michigan and Wisconsin.
There you go. Yeah. Clearly American.
Clearly.
Talk about 51st state. There you go.
Ugh. No. Not going to talk about that.
All right, little scalp there, $37 in my Blue Sky funded account. Being aggressive here, just we're heading up to the IB high. Could potentially hit some resistance there, so I just wanted to lock in the profits right away. I'll be more convinced at a better long here if we were to close above IB high. So. Jerry says, wow, that sucks. I've learned to really like trading on Tradeify. It was annoying at first. Yeah, I mean, it's great for executions, for sure. It's never really given me issues on slippage or things like that. It's very fast in that sense. I definitely don't like it for charting, obviously, but executions on there are pretty nice. So I'm watching, I'm watching my TradingView chart, but I'll just like put in my orders on Tradeify. Might switch your investing account from TradeStation to Tradeify. Nice. All right, IB high, Zarb. I saw Zarb. Zar, are you going to take that trade?
Jerry, you can't switch an investment account from TradeStation to Tradeify. Tradeify is futures only, and it is they do not allow intraday trading.
Oh well.
So that's kind of a pain. If you're looking to just use it for a cash account to trade futures, it's great. You can attach it to, just about anything. TradingView, Trader's Post. If you use Trade Syncer or any of those. I mean, I wouldn't, but if you do, if you choose to. I'm kind of biased though. I like my Trader's Post.
Man, I'm feeling exhausted right now.
Me too.
Oh, you didn't realize it was futures only, Jerry? Yeah. Now you know.
Knowing is half the battle. Sitting here waiting to close out this ES trade.
Nice.
All right, I'm out. I'm done.
Nice. Hi, Tam. Hey, please do a quick read of the book map. Well, we do have orders above. Some in looks like 590, and then also a big cluster up at 29,600. Looks like 169 contracts. and I'm not seeing them as algo orders. So those are real draw on liquidity, I would say. We might, again, we might end up getting some pullbacks here, but that would be a definite one. Looks like we just have some new ones coming on here up at 640 and looks like 645. They just literally just popped on up there. So, I mean, everything on the book map is saying we're probably going to go higher here. Not a guarantee, not financial advice, but typically when we see more clusters of orders above, we're going to be headed higher. We do have a little bit below at the moment. We're digging into some right now in the 70s, and then there's also some looks like 560, 29,560. Which does that line up with yeah, that kind of lines up with the initial balance high. So I don't know if those are buy orders to like continue the bullish move here. It could be, but Tape Reader says buy high, sell higher. Not my type of market. Been hard to trade the last 2 days unless you can just hold long. Easier said than done. Yeah. Yep. Because the unfortunate thing is when the bears step in, they usually step in real hard.
Yeah, it's the stairs up and the elevator down thing.
But like if you get like what we typically try to do is just put a stop into profit somewhere. Worst case scenario, you're going to make a little bit of money.
Yeah. How many times have I made $36.50 over and over and over again?
Yeah.
Like, oh, I'm up 150. Oh no, it just stopped me out with 36.50.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm up 200. No, stop me out with 36.50.
Hey, you're welcome. High time.
That buy high, sell higher is exactly how I like to trade.
Yeah, especially on days like today. It's like this is kind of like the price action we need for that type of trading, and we've been having a couple of those days, and I'm usually a little bit better at these bullish markets too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're a better bullish trader than I am.
Wayne says, nice exit, Nick. +2 deviations above RTH VWAP.
I love them deviation bands.
Doesn't intraday drawdown screw you doing that? Well, I think if he's in the intraday drawdown account, Blackout News, he's gonna treat that one a little bit different. So
with anything intraday, I aggressively pull my stop loss up. So generally speaking, by the time those little pullbacks would add up to take me out of an account, I've already hit the buffer.
Yeah, just treat it, being more aggressive on those accounts until you get the buffer, right? That's kind of like the rule of thumb for that one. So
you just have to keep pulling those stop losses up as you're going. And you've seen both me and Dave do this with the command pad, where it's a break even +2, then 5, then 10, then 15, then 25, and so on and so on. And that does make a difference. Sometimes just being able to give the trade a little bit of room to breathe makes a difference too.
Yeah.
Just made another all-time high on ES.
Savage ES, man. Holy.
7,721.25.
Well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I don't know what you're doing. If you're gonna be
I'm done
around.
trading. I just decided to open up that basket of accounts because I was here with you,
Nice.
and that's it.
And looks like there's some news coming out about Iran here and U.S. talking about it. So
All right, let's take a look at oil and just see what's happening.
Straight up high, watch retail, wave goodbye. Deep bass, market butcher, Mustang trader.
Got down to the 75 level this morning.
oh wow.
And that's 75.76 at 9:55 a.m. and started pushing back up.
Oh yeah, I actually got to reset the form for the Sunday giveaway form. Before I forget, might as well do that right now.
Mary L. Trump is talking about Donald, saying that he's confused and he was shocked when he heard reports that China was sending weapons to Iran. Oh yeah, his response when somebody asked him in the Oval Office, he was asked about a new report that Iran was about to receive hundreds of thousands of shoulder-fired air defense missile launchers.
Oh yeah.
And his response was, "That would be surprising." So either Chinese president lied to him and he fell for it, or he's just oblivious. It's one of the two. Maybe both. All right, Dave, I'm gonna get the hell out of here.
Sounds good.
This is getting a little silly now.
Yeah, I'm just
All right.
gonna put together this form here, and then I'm gonna take off too. Oh, geez, I just looked back and NQ is just going crazy.
Ripping.
Jeez.
Whew. Maybe it is gonna try and get to that all-time high.
Jeez.
Wow. Yeah, I'm done. I'll see you tomorrow. You're streaming tonight, right?
Yes.
If I have a second, I'll pop in.
Nice.
If I'm not asleep by then. Thanks everybody for keeping us company. And if you were in the pre-market, thanks for not letting me sit there and talk to myself.
Let's go.
See you tomorrow, Dave.
See you, Nick.
D-base. Market butcher. Mustang trader. Late night futures. Discord open. Charts going. Let's go. Only YOLO. Only YOLO. Jomo. While the weekends panic, we let the winds ride. Angie posting schedules every night. Mustang pre-market, David first light. Trello 19 still watching Orbeat. Gets a little spooked, then comes right back to me.
All right. Form is ready. So publish this guy. Publish. And go into the Discord. Remove the old form. And then replace it. Butcher giveaway channel. I think Zach got taken out of that short trade. Okay, copy this URL. Okay, it looks like the new form is up, guys, in the Discord for the Sunday giveaways. So if you guys get a chance, head over to the Discord, fill that guy out, so you'll be entered into the Sunday races. Oh, this is a 4-hour bearish fair value gap that I framed in. So it was kind of a bit of a draw on liquidity I was watching from pre-market. So if you look back all the way back to here, we had what day was this? July 26th. We left a 4-hour bearish fair value gap. That was kind of one of my targets there. So the Discord, oh yeah, let me link it for you here. So what you do is you head into the Discord, go to the giveaway channel. Oh shoot. I kind of messed that up here. Let me post it one more time. I think I hit like a bracket button by accident when I hit enter. So follow the second one. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over to, you'll enter and you'll get in the giveaway or the general channel. Go to the giveaway one. So either you scroll all the way to the top using your mouse to scroll up, or on the top right corner, there's this like pinned message button. Click that, that'll open it up here. Click the Google Docs form. Just fill out your information in there, and you'll be entered into all the Sunday giveaways. So one thing that we do also is if you're in the stream Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday nights, we often do a duck race. And what it is we give you an opportunity to win another duck into your Sunday race. So let's just say you fill out this form. That's going to, the one on Discord, that's going to give you one duck entry into the duck race on Sunday, every Sunday. So for the whole month, basically, you'll be entered into every Sunday race. You do have to be live to claim it. But if you're in the stream on Sunday, Tuesday, or Thursday nights, we do extra duck races. And if you win those, you get an extra duck entry into the Sunday race. So then you'll have 2 ducks in the race rather than just 1. So just a heads up for that. So if you're hanging out on the evening streams with us, you'll have another opportunity to like increase your odds of winning on the Sunday race. Oh, there might be a 15-minute bearish fair value gap there also. But if you go to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that there's a nice gap here. This thing just going up here, guys. Just going up. Jesus.
Mustang pre-market, David first light. Trello 19 still watching Orbeat. Gets a little spooked, then comes right back to me. FN trades asking questions all day. Fish tank background maybe one day. Red says 70 channels of fire. Meanwhile, NQ keeps climbing higher. Why we running? Nobody knows. Why we running? Nobody knows.
Just took a $21 scalp on 1 micro there. So I got my take profit trader account up to $100 on the day. I'm happy with that. Just 1 micro with a small TP, 10 points. So how did my day end up being here? Let's take a look. So here's my month so far. It's pretty good so far. Small winner on Sunday, the Sunday stream. We were just so busy on the stream. I didn't really take many trades. I was literally talking the whole time. Monday, 8 trades, up 1.8K. Today, 12 trades, up 910. So not a bad month so far. Let's just keep it going. Base hits every day, hopefully. And, lock in some payouts here. Did anybody go long? No, we're all been shorting it, FN. Hey, over and over and over. Just short it. Okay, stopped out. Okay, short it again, stopped out. Short it again, stopped out. Right? So we got 1 entry into the new Sunday giveaway form already. Somebody's on top of it. Somebody's on top of it. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, though. I'm just gonna get away from the charts here. I'm feeling pretty exhausted at the moment, so we're gonna do our little shout out here, say bye to everybody, and again, I'll be live tonight, 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So definitely come hang out, guys. To the top fans, hi Tam, Jerry, Joanne, Zar, Eric, Vicky, Lafta, S, Fall Day Today, Wayne, Kyle Shees, Tim Core, Tape Reader, Blackout News Network, and FN Trades. Why didn't I see Kyle's comment there earlier? Oh, there we go. Morning, another day, another dollar. Okay, I did see it. I did see his message, so yeah. But yeah, thanks everybody. We'll be live again tonight, so come hang out. Let's see if we can't find some more good trades. Let's see if this bullish market is gonna just continue here or not. What's gonna happen? So we do have another 1 hour bearish fair value gap way up here. Let's go back to the 1 hour. Or did that get inverted? Seems like it's incorrect here. The size of the gap is incorrect.
Let's go. Deep bass. Market butcher. Mustang trader.
30K. 30K.
Discord open. Charts glowing. Let's go. No only YOLO.
Do we have any other 4 hours up there?
While the weekends panic, we let the winds ride.
Got a couple up here at 30,500 also. This one right here, 751. Small one at 751, 4 hour bearish for value gap. Okay, guys, thank you. You guys have a great day. We'll see you later. Appreciate the support. Thanks for the likes and hanging out. And hopefully everybody end your day green. And yeah, lock it out if you are. Don't be afraid to get away. Go touch some grass. Enjoy your day. And yeah, come hang out later tonight. See if we can't find some good trades again. So talk to you guys later. Peace out. Yeah, FN, new all-time high over and over and over for ES. See you guys later. Bye-bye.